say cheese.
They're not as cute as the tennis shoes, but.
What's up?
Eat?
Say cheese. Wait, come right here. There you go.
Who's that girl? Who's that girl? Who's that girl? Who's that girl? Oh, excuse you.
Cheese. Good morning. We're in the lobby at the Gaylord. It's a crazy, crazy place.
Might look like a castle.
Yeah, we're going to explore it more today and some tomorrow. But today we are headed back to Hollywood Studios again.
Woo!
There's a few of the shows we didn't get. There's a few of the shows we didn't get to do yet, and then we want to have lunch with Rebecca at Woody's Roundup Rodeo Barbecue. So I think we're very much looking forward to that. Looking forward to a good day. There's a small chance of rain, but hopefully it stays sunny all day.
I don't know about that. It's hot.
Rebecca got some egg bites. They have some chives in them, so I'm not sure if she'll like them. Seems to be okay right now, though. I got a sausage egg thing, and Catherine got a bacon egg thing. So now we're gonna go eat these things.
I know. We're excited. All right, go.
Hey, you gonna give him a hug? Give him a squeeze. Give him a hug. Oh, wait. Oh, wait, Rebecca. Rebecca just got to dance with Mickey Mouse a little bit. She literally just ran straight up to him, sat on the ground with him, didn't want to leave him, but we had to leave in order to go to the Disney Villain Show. It's a new thing, so we're excited to try it. Mickey so much. We went for round 2 for the dancing because the villainous show was closed. Or the villains show was closed. So, now we're going to Toy Story World to eat at Roundup Barbecue. Roundup Rodeo Barbecue. That's where we're going. Rebecca is to be a toy. Gets to see if she likes all the atmosphere and everything. And then see if she'll take a nap.
Protect us and keep us safe from sin so that we can play freely in Andy's backyard. So how about it, buckaroos? Let's give a nice big Andy's Yard salute to our Green Army Patrol who keep us safe around these parts.
We got bread first. Bread, tomato salad, watermelon salad. We have a sleeping toy. Well, we're at the Roundup Rodeo Barbecue, about to eat. We have biscuits first, and a tomato salad, and a watermelon salad. I'm gonna try some bread.
You gotta pray.
Oh,
Come on. Let's pray, Rebecca.
God bless you. Okay, we have to prayer. Lord, you have follow us. Thank you for this day. Thank you for this beautiful weather. Thank you for letting us have a good.
Amen.
Amen. Alright, it's got bread. Warm, very hot, but it feels very fluffy.
Oh, he sent that one.
It's just homemade cheddar biscuits.
There's a sausage in that.
Good fresh biscuit. Nice, buttery. Not really flaky, big cakey. I like it. We have just a little bit of food. Just a little bit, you know. Me and Catherine have some eating to do. And Rebecca. Rebecca, you got some eating to do, ma'am. You gotta eat this up. She's watching Frozen. We have just a little bit of food. It's a good old family style meal where you pretty much get everything on the menu and just share it. So we're gonna share.
We don't eat that much, guys.
Yeah. So to start, we got some Evil Dr. Smoked ribs, Buttercup's beef brisket. There's a sausage in my boot, and barbecue chicken with style. Sausage in my boot. And then for the sides, it is veggie coleslaw, cowpoke corn on the cob, that's grilled street corn, slinky dog mac and cheese, buck and baked beans, and potato barrels, potato tots. So, we're gonna go eat and enjoy. Looks like a good meaty rib.
Also, don't judge us. I'm putting Rebecca's phone down, okay? I need a break.
Yeah, you gotta do what you gotta do in Disney World.
How did it come out for us?
Really good.
Wow. Good, enjoy. You can order more if you want more too, okay? You never know. I thought they would decrease the portion size for 2 people. This is a really good rib. I don't even like barbecue that much.
I'm impressed with the rib so far. Really good. Brisket next. I'm just eating it.
I don't like brisket. Maybe I like brisket.
A little jerky-ish. But I don't like fatty brisket, so this is good for me. I'm a fan.
Oh, they give us more meat.
Yeah. You can You go ahead and like the sausage. Yeah, we don't really like sausage normally either. Big old bite. Big old fatty sausage.
I need a palate cleanser.
Tastes like indigestion for sure.
It's just Parmesan.
Got some mayonnaise on it.
Well, they're gonna throw it away.
Hot.
Not as good as regular
I don't really get a lot of Parmesan, it just tastes like buttered corn.
with corn.
I'm a fan. I'll have a lot of
And then
meat.
eating breakfast.
Smoky. Catherine may not like it.
It's not my favorite. Oh god.
It's got a strong seasoning on it as well. It was very smoky tasting. Catherine does not like smokiness. It had like a chili powder or something on it.
I don't know what it was.
It was like a bland cumin almost. Alright, now baby, can you give me a bite?
You can't do your own. Mommy gotta do it for you.
There's some good Bush's baked beans right there.
No spice.
Okay, cool.
One bite? You gonna bite?
Well, overall, I'm actually thoroughly surprised.
Get them out. Oh, you like them? Okay.
Are you surprised?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's actually
Okay,
really good.
let's try the mac and cheese.
Much better mac and cheese than at Pinocchio's place the other day.
Pinocchio's was world class. And then this cucumber salad is very good.
Watermelon. Here's your napkin. Overall, I'll give it an 8.
Yeah, no, it's really good food. Like, I did not expect it to be this good of quality. So I agree. I mean, I think it is an 8. Oh, let me try my peach iced tea. Peach iced tea? It's not sweet at all, so that's a lovely surprise. That's really refreshing.
That's very pleasant. Very good.
Well, I guess we will take a picture of everything that we have left.
And we'll waddle out of here.
Yeah.
Positions in 3, 2, 1.
Well, partners, this year train's reached its final destination. Molly, you're gonna bust up the place then. Come on there, little lady.
Well done, cowpokes.
Now, small desserts. Cheesecake and a silk pie. Yummy. Let's try. Chocolate silk pie. All the way down.
Lemon blueberry cheesecake.
Light, simple dessert. Chocolate flavored, cream, little granola crumble at the bottom. Good. Nothing was crazy fancy.
Lemon blueberry.
As advertised.
Unexpression.
It's like a mouthful of punch flavor right there.
Oh, well, look at that.
Yours is like a good midday refresher.
This is definitely a nightcap.
Yeah, mine's a decadent kind of end of the day, end of the night experience. Well, that was a very pleasant experience to end Toy Story World and end Hollywood Studios. And overall, it was a really fun, good experience. Like, I would do it again.
Absolutely.
Just bring a much bigger appetite next time.
Yeah.
Because it's relatively like endless portions. You can just get as much as you want.
Yeah.
But we just did the first portion and couldn't do any more. And
I really wasn't hit. The one day we eat breakfast.
yeah, I'm slightly past content right now.
Yeah.
But we're going to take a Skyliner over to Epcot and honestly just cruise around for maybe a couple more hours before calling it an early day. Well, it started raining. Rebecca, you want your hat off? You can take your hat off. There you go. You can take your hat off. Well, it started raining. We've done some perusing around France primarily. Then it started raining. So we're just gonna get wet since we're calling it an early day. We're just gonna get wet, maybe find a shop to nip into or just continue around. It's all right. We got our rain jackets, we're good. Gonna keep on keeping on. Having fun, Rebecca? You like the rain? You like the rain? Whoa. Whoa. One more time. The weather has cleared up. It's sunny again. Classic Florida. We're about to get our souvenirs and go back to the Gaylord. Bye-bye, Epcot.
That's a wrap, guys.
Bye-bye. We'll see you again sometime in the future. Who let her come out in her pajamas? Huh? Who let her come out in her pajamas? Rebecca, where your clothes at, girl? Where your clothes at, girl? What you doing? Yeah. What you doing?
You want the last bite? Are you all done? Well, sit down. You have to sit down first. Sit down. Sit Sit down if you want to bite. You gotta sit down. Okay, All right, last bite. All right, all done. You can go run around while Mommy finishes her smoothie. Goodbye. Sick of 'em. Where's she gonna go to?
Where do you think? Okay, our plans were to stay in now and just hang out with Rebecca and put her to bed.
We're back. We're live. I got bad news. This is our last nighttime snack. It's the last one, y'all. It's the last day of the trip. Travel day tomorrow. But we're not gonna get all sad about it. We're gonna eat our desserts and then go to bed happy. So, there's two. It's coming from Disney World, of course. We're gonna end with a Disney treat. There's two things in this bag. I assume you want one thing to stay in the bag, or are you going to eat it tonight? No, I don't want any of it.
I will.
Caramel Couche popcorn.
It's my favorite.
I think it's little caramel popcorn, right? And then we have... It's not ice cream. It looks very similar, but it's just like a Mickey cookie with cream and caramel all throughout. So let's give it a go. It smells rich and decadent. It smells real good.
My mouth's watering.
That smells like Disney right there.
Rich and decadent.
Okay,
You get here,
that
not
first
here.
bite. They skipped out on the back part.
Well, you get here and I get here together.
Mmm. Is that banana? Are you sure? I think there's a little banana taste to this. I think it's banana cream. No? Am I weird? There's something. Is it just the chocolate I'm tasting? Is it like a different type of chocolate?
Yeah. Chocolate shortbread or something.
There's 20.
Just taste the inside.
What is this?
Caramel.
No.
Anyway.
I think they left the caramel out next to banana. Get some of the caramel by itself. I think that's where the 20's coming from. I don't know. I'm really confused.
It's good though. You don't like it?
It's not. My brain does not know how to process it. Like, it really has the consistency of a banana pudding, which I think is what's sending me toward banana. But there's no banana.
It does not have the consistency of banana pudding.
Yes, it does. On the inside.
And butter cream and caramel.
But it feels like banana. Not okay. I misspoke. It's like a vanilla wafer that's been sitting in banana pudding all day, and then you eat the wafer.
No.
Yeah, that's what this reminds me of.
Oh, good.
I'm not crazy. I promise I'm not crazy.
You said you didn't want it.
Let's have a bite to get this out of my mouth.
That's the stuff there.
I'm not a caramel popcorn lover. Well, Catherine can enjoy these two tonight. Because I have the remaining cake. Same cake. We did not go back again. We did not make a special trip. It's literally the same millionaire cake. And I'm gonna eat some of that.
10 out of 10.
Yeah.
6 out of 5 out of 5 out
That's
of
a 3 out. That's a 4 out of 10.
Mm-hmm.
You don't want to know my score. I was nice and gave the popcorn last night a 10. I can't give this a 10.
Oh, that's my one last time. So good.
Yeah.
But this is really good.
Like I would never order that. So
I order it every
I would
time.
never order it.
Every time.
I'm glad you enjoy it.
Thank you.
I'm glad it gives you some joy.
More for me.
Yeah. I guess the only thing left to share is it's not a goodbye. It's a see you later for the vlog and for Disney.
Bye.
Bye. Yeah. Night time. We're gonna get a bellyache and then go to bed. And then we'll go to Disney again next year.
We're booking it now.